Here's one more source you might use for getting historical weather data, Weather Underground. And so we can put in a location. Let's say we picked Sydney, Australia. Okay, Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. And what we can do is we can pick an earlier year. Now I've gone in here and I went further than 2000. There was no data. I haven't gone exactly down to 1990. There was no data, but in 2000 there is data, so we can get some information there. And here we have the high temperature of 72 Fahrenheit, low temperature of 59 Fahrenheit. We have precipitation, no rain, no precipitation. And then we can scroll down and get some other information. So we've got wind speed. This is the maximum wind speed of 28. It doesn't say miles per hour. I'm assuming this is probably miles per hour. Here's the pressure of 30.22. Now, I'm not seeing information about humidity at this site, but perhaps we can get it in another. Here we go. Here we have the observations throughout the day. So humidity is in this area. Wind, actually now we can get the wind. It is miles per hour. And it gives us the direction. So you would need to pick a time that was your standard. Perhaps it was noon. 52% humidity. And then, of course, we've got the high and low temperatures up here in this area. Okay, so you can just search for things. We can search other locations. I'll search, let's search Santiago, Chile. Okay, and I believe that will be it. Yes, Santiago, Chile. And then we can look for the history. We click on history, and then let's see how far back we can go. I'll go to 1990 and see if it has data. And no data recorded. So you'll get that sometimes. It'll tell you nothing. Maybe 1995 there's data for Santiago, Chile. No? Maybe in 2000 we'll have some data from Chile. And we do. So you'll have to poke around. So here, once again, we got high and low temperature. The precipitation was 0. And then we can scroll down further to get the information about pressure, 28.44. So that's a little bit of a lower pressure than we've been seeing in the other reports. We can look here at humidity. Let's pick noon, 59%. 3 miles per hour winds coming from the south. It looks like it was a fairly chaotic day with wind, but not very high speeds until later in the day. All right, that is Weather Underground. I hope that helped.